Digital transformation, operational challenges, and an ever-changing labor market are all continuing to radically alter how the United States operates. Many organizations are having difficulty attracting and maintaining highly trained individuals, in part owing to the Great Resignation and the millions of Americans who willingly quit full-time jobs over the last year. According to a recent Upwork research, professional remote freelancing is on the rise. 53% of all freelancers performed skilled services like computer programming or marketing this past year, up from 50% the year before. Today, we'll discuss the top 10 tech skills revealed by Upwork. Before you begin watching this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Number 10. Graphic design. Graphic design is a career in which people produce visual content to convey messages. Designers utilize typography and graphics to fulfill users' individual demands and focus on the logic of showing items in interactive designs to optimize the user experience by employing visual hierarchy and page layout approaches. At the end of the day, Upwork is ideal for managing contracts for multiple freelancers in various fields. However, if you're searching for design work or designers, I'd strongly recommend 99 Designs. Number 9. API. The majority of people have never heard of API, let alone know what it does. They are unaware that it is a powerful technology capable of great accomplishments. It is now employed in applications that we use on a daily basis. It's used by companies like Yelp to find nearby restaurants. APIs are used all the time by people who aren't even aware of it. Application Programming Interface, API, is a software middleman that allows two apps to communicate with one another. You utilize an API every time you use an app like Facebook, send an instant message, or check the weather on your phone. Consider an API to be a translator between two persons who do not speak the same language but can communicate through a third party. Number 8. Shopify. Shopify is a full-featured e-commerce platform that allows you to build, grow, and manage a company. Anyone may set up an online store and sell their products using the subscription-based software. Shopify developers are in high demand on platforms like Upwork and other freelancing services. Many businesses want to open an online store, and they will want the services of someone who can create one for them. Beginners will find Shopify to be incredibly user-friendly. It has a simple interface and offers free e-commerce templates to help with the creation of online stores. In the year 2022, this skill will be in high demand. Number 7. PHP. PHP is a general-purpose programming language that may be used to create interactive and dynamic websites. It was one of the first server-side languages to be integrated in HTML, making it easy to add functionality to web pages without having to access data from separate files. PHP is a server-side scripting language that may be used to create dynamic, interactive websites. One of the key reasons PHP has become so popular is that it is reasonably easy to learn. Even without substantial web development expertise or experience, most people could produce a web page in a reasonably short amount of time using a single PHP file. Number 6. HTML. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language for texts that are intended to be viewed on a web browser. Technologies such as cascading style sheets and scripting languages like JavaScript can help. The ability to code in any language is a great asset, regardless of how complicated a website or app is. It is still made with HTML and CSS, the web's fundamental building elements. These languages are well known for being beginner-friendly and for having a vibrant community. Number 5. CSS. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, is a style sheet language for describing the appearance of a document authored in a markup language like HTML. All of our features have a skeleton thanks to HTML. It is a structure that supports a person's head and body. CSS is what determines our appearance, such as the color of our eyes, skin, and hair. JavaScript, on the other hand, has to deal with our movements and how we connect with others. Learning how to code allows you to express yourself on your own website, to stand out from the crowd, to contribute more effectively to projects, to better comprehend and explore new languages, and to transfer into a different career. Number 4. JavaScript. JavaScript, sometimes known as JS, is a programming language that, together with HTML and CSS, is one of the essential technologies of the World Wide Web. It is intended for the development of network-centric applications. It works in tandem with and complements Java. Because JavaScript is interwoven with HTML, it is incredibly simple to use. It's free to use and cross-platform. JavaScript is omnipresent. It comes pre-installed on every modern web browser, so you don't need to set up any unique environment to study it. On the client side, over 97% of websites employ JavaScript for web page behavior, with third-party libraries frequently incorporated. JavaScript and web developers are in high demand as a result on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Number 3. Web programming. Web programming encompasses all of the writing, markup, and code that goes into web development, including web content, client and server scripting, and network security. XML, HTML, JavaScript, and PHP are the most often used languages for web programming. Web programming is distinct from traditional programming in that it necessitates a broad understanding of the application domain, client and server scripting, and database technologies. The growth of e-commerce and a growing reliance on mobile search will only increase the demand for skilled developers. According to Stack Overflow, 83% of professional web developers in the United States work full-time, with the other 10% doing freelance or part-time work. Number 2. WordPress. It's understandable if the prospect of developing your own website seems daunting. You might even believe that this process is insurmountable for anyone other than a developer or someone with a web design expertise. Well, I've got some good news for you. There's software out there that makes it so simple to construct a distinctive and professional-looking website for your business, blog, or portfolio. It's known as WordPress. It's a content management system, CMS, that lets you host and create websites. You may personalize any website with WordPress's plugin architecture and template system to meet your business, blog, portfolio, or online store. It's also a sought-after expertise because WordPress websites are simple to manage. You'll never have to worry about managing your server, paying for hosting, or purchasing a name. A WordPress.com plan also includes a number of customization options to help you make your website look exactly how you want it to. Number 1. Web design. In the creation and management of websites, web design involves a wide range of talents and disciplines. Web graphic design, user interface design, authorship, including standardized code and proprietary software, user experience design, and search engine optimization are all components of web design. The process of organizing, conceiving, and arranging content on the internet is known as web design. Today, website design includes more than just aesthetics. It also considers the website's overall functionality. Web design also encompasses the creation of web apps, mobile apps, and user interfaces. Web designers design, build, and improve websites using their creative and programming skills. They are familiar with user experience and can create websites that are simple to comprehend, navigate, and use while adhering to design standards and specifications. Upwork has stated that in 2022, it would be the most in-demand skill. That's a wrap for our today's video. Hope you have gained some knowledge from the video. What are your thoughts on this list? Do let us know in the comments section below. And make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more future updates.